Welcome to the Saudi Expatriates channel, your go-to place for all updates and important information for expatriates living in Saudi Arabia. Today, we have some important news regarding new regulations set by the General Authority for the Care of the Affairs of the Grand Mosque and the Prophet's Mosque, specifically aimed at ensuring the safety and comfort of Umrah visitors in Makkah. The authority has announced that strollers for children will not be allowed on the ground floor of the Mataf area, the place where people perform tawaf, circumambulating around the Holy Kaaba. This decision aims to facilitate smoother movement and enhance the safety of the worshippers in this sacred space. However, it's important to note that there are designated places within the Grand Mosque for strollers. Specifically, strollers for kids are permitted on the upper floors of Mataf and in the Masa area, the path between the hills of Safa and Marwa, accessible through the King Fahd Expansion Area. The authority further clarified that strollers might be restricted in the Holy Mosque when the Mataf and Masa floors are overcrowded, prioritizing the safety and comfort of the pilgrims. In addition to the new stroller policy, the Grand Mosque has introduced rules banning large bags, certain food items, and other prohibited items to ensure a smooth and safe pilgrimage experience. Saif al-Salami, the supervisor of the Grand Mosque Gates Department, highlighted that prohibited items include food and drinks, with the exception of coffee, dates, and water, tools with sharp edges, flammable liquids, big bags, and luggage. These measures are taken to avoid any difficulties for pilgrims and ensure everyone's safety during their spiritual journey. These steps are part of a broader plan aimed at enhancing the spiritual environment of the Umrah pilgrimage and ensuring that visitors can focus on their religious practices without unnecessary obstacles. We hope this information is helpful for all those planning to visit the Grand Mosque in Mecca. Remember, these regulations are in place to ensure a peaceful and safe experience for everyone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more updates and information, don't forget to visit SaudiExpatriates.com and follow us on our social media channels. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.